Hello students, this is Ritvik Dubey, your computer teacher. In today's video class, I will discuss how to write a program, and the question is, write a Java program which will ask the user to enter the name of the student, roll number, class, section and marks secured in 6 subjects, which are English, Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, and computer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 through the keyboard. Okay, through method parameter means the method will have to be parameterized. Okay, but through keyboard means we will have to use scanner or buffered reader. From where? From within the body of the public static void main string array RGS method. And from within the main method, we have to call the display method to calculate and display all the details of the student and the marks secured and percentage obtained by the student. Okay, the display method will be a parameterized method which will accept the name, roll number, class, section and marks secured in the 6 subjects mentioned above. So clearly in the question, it has been mentioned that within our class, we have to define 2 methods. The first method will be display method and the second method will be main method. Or the first method can be main method, the second method can be display method. And display method has to be parameterized. And how many parameters it will take? It will accept name. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then 10 parameters it will take. How many parameters it will take? It will take 10 parameters. Okay, so how to write this program? Let us see. Let me open BlueJ. Let me define one class and give any name. Afterwards, it will be changed after compilation. Maximize it. Control A, backspace. Yes, let us start. PUBLIC, public class result. Result displayer, result displayer. What is the name of the class? Result displayer. Then public, okay, void display, display. Okay, this method will accept what? string, string name, then name, roll number. So int rn means roll number. Then let me write here n only. String n, int rn means roll number, name, roll number, class. Class means string only. string, class, class. Okay, class, but we cannot write class because class is a keyword. Okay, let me write C only. String class, then name, roll number, class, name, roll number. What was the question? Name, roll number, class and section. Okay, class and section. string sec, section. And then marks of 5 subjects. Okay, marks of 5 subjects. So let me take double. You can take float also. Okay, float. Okay, so float, marks of what? English, na? English. float, float. em means English mark. Okay, em means English mark. Then Hindi mark. English, Hindi. Then what were the subjects? English, Hindi, math, science, social science, computer. Math, science, social science, computer. float, float. Math marks. float, float. Science mark. Then float, float. Social science mark. Then float, float. cm is computer mark. Okay, you can see. So parameter n will accept the name of the student. Parameter rn will accept the roll number of the student. Parameter c will accept the class of the student. Parameter sec will accept the section of the student. Then em stands for English mark. hm stands for Hindi marks. mm stands for mathematics mark. SM stands for science mark, SSM stands for social science mark, and CM stands for computer mark. Okay, so a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parameters. Okay, then total. So FLOAT float, TOTAL float total is equal to English mark plus Hindi mark plus mathematics mark plus science mark plus social science mark plus computer mark. Okay, clear? Now let me check. Is it correct or it is showing some error? No syntax error. Is this clear? Okay. Then after calculating the total, then percentage FLOAT float PER, per means percentage. Percentage is equal to TO. Okay. Let me make it MS. Yes, mark secured. MARK, mark SECURED, mark secured. Okay, and percentage PERCENTAGE, percentage. Percentage is equal to MARK, mark SECURED, mark secured, divided by total mark. Total number of subjects were 6, so 100 mark, assume the 100 mark is 100 of each subject, so 6 into 100, 600, divided by 600, 0.0. Okay, ये 0.0, mark secured by 600, and then into 100.0. Okay, whenever you go for calculation, just give 0.0, 0.0. Okay, then display system dot out dot print println student student name. Okay, concatenation sign n. Okay, let me copy this. Let me copy this and paste. Okay, name, roll number, then class. C. So student ROLL, roll number. Let me write here apostrophe S, student's name, apostrophe S, student's roll number, apostrophe S, student's name, name not name, roll number, class, CLASS, class C. Okay, then students section, SECTION, section is SEC. Okay, then the student mark secured by the student. Okay, mark secured is stored in mark secured only. MARK capital SECURED. Okay, you can choose your own variable name. Then control V, MARK, mark, not percentage obtained. PERCENTAG, percentage OBTAINED, percentage obtained is equal to PERCENTAGE, percentage. Clear? Okay. Now let me define the main method. Okay, let me define the main method. PUBLIC public, STATIC static, VOID void, main, capital STRING string, array space args. Now I have to call which method? display display method. But since it is a parameterized method, I will have to pass the name, roll number. Okay, so for that I will have to create the object of buffered reader. buffered buffered reader. br is equal to new buffered buffered reader reader, new buffered reader, and then new input reader, new input stream reader, and then system dot in. Let me display the message. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Enter the name of the student. Enter the name of the student student, and then accept it. string string name is equal to what? br dot read line. br dot read line. Then system dot out dot println message enter. Enter the roll number of the student. Since roll number is of integer type, I will write int r. Okay, r only, or rn. Let me take rn, and let me take here name only. N is equal to integer dot parse int, integer dot parse int br dot read read line, br dot read line. Okay, then let me copy this, paste it here. Yes, enter the name, roll number, and then class. Enter the class of the student. So class was of type string, string string c is equal to br dot readline only. Okay, so readline method will take the string, so there is no need of conversion. Then let me copy this, paste it here. Name, roll number, class, and section. Then section. Enter the section of the student. So string c, section will be ABCD, na? So section, let me make it character, char, okay, char section. So enter the section, so char c, char sec. Section is equal to br dot read line dot char at 0. If we will use a scanner, we will have to write scn dot next dot char at 0. Okay, clear na? Okay, then system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println enter, enter the marks of the subjects ENGLISH, English, Hindi, English, Hindi, math, science, social science, English, Hindi, maths, SCIENC, science, SOCIAL, social, SCIENC, social science, computer, 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 RESPECTIVELY, respectively. Okay, correct. Then let me take the marks. So it was a float type, so FLOAT float is equal to capital FLOAT float dot parse FLOAT parse float br dot read line, br dot read line. Float variable name should be English mark, em English mark. Okay, let me copy this. Copy this, subject number 1, subject number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So English mark, then HM means Hindi mark, English Hindi, then I forget English Hindi math, then math mark, science mark, S social science mark, and then CM is computer mark. Now we can call the display method by passing the name. Name you have taken in n variable. Okay, roll number is RN. Let me write n. N will go to this n. Okay, this n is different from this n. This n is declared within the body of main method. So this is local to main method. And this n, which you can see here, is local to display method. So both this n and this n are different. So name, comma, then roll number, RN. Okay, roll number, then class section. Class was taken in C variable, section was taken in SC variable, yes or no? Class section, English mark, comma, Hindi mark, comma, mathematics mark, comma, science mark, comma, social science mark, comma, computer mark. Okay, now since display method is non-static, I will have to create the object of which class? Result displayer. Okay, or else I will get error. What error? Non-static method display int. No, string, and then roll number int. C class string, section character. Like this error will come. Non-static method display cannot be referenced from static context. Let us see. Compile. Possible lossy conversion, because it is double. Let us make it 600.0 F. Okay, 100.0 F. Control K. Cannot find class buffer reader because I have to import it. Okay, import import java.io.star. Import java.io.star, and then here I will have to write throws throws io exception. Okay, now we will get the error. Non-static method display cannot be referenced from a static context. See, non-static method display cannot be referenced from a static context. Why? Because this is a non-static method. I will have to create the object of result displayer. So let me create RESULT, result, DISPLAYER, result displayer, RDOBJ. What is the meaning of RDOBJ? Object of class result displayer. Okay, is equal to new RESULT, result, DISPLAYER, result displayer, parenthesis, semicolon, and let me call the display method using that object RDOBJ dot. Now there will be no syntax error. Clear? So this is our program. Close it, and then right click and call main method. Enter the name of the student. Suppose RITWIK, Ritvik, DUBEY, Ritvik Dubey. Enter the roll number 24. Enter the class of the student, standard 12. Okay, enter the section of the student, section A. Enter the marks of the subjects English, Hindi, math, science, social science, computer respectively. Okay, computer respectively. Okay, let me enter English. Suppose out of 100 I got 85, and in Hindi I got 95, and then mathematics I got 86. Okay, science I got 90, and computer I got 100. Okay, so English, Hindi, math, science, social science. Okay, social science. Okay, computer also let me give 100. Okay, so you can see the result is, final result is, the student's name is Ritvik Dubey, student's roll number is 24, student's class is 12, student section is A, mark secured is total, Okay, that is 556 and percentage is 92.66 percentage. Clear? So in the percentage, you can give that sign. Percentage obtained, you can give here concatenation sign. Within double quotes, you can give the percentage symbol. Clear? Now you will get the percentage. Okay. For example, R-A-K-M-A-N-I, Rukmani, K-U-M-A-R-I. If the name of the student is Rukmani Kumari, enter the roll number. Roll number is 45. Enter the class 12, section C, and then enter the marks of English. English 100, and then 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. You can say student's name Rukmani Kumari, roll number 45, students class 12, section C, mark secured 600, percentage obtained 100.0 percentage. Clear? Okay. So this was the question and this was the solution for that. Okay. Clear? Hope you all understood. So in this program, I haven't used constructor. Okay. I have just simply defined the display method and called that display method from within the main method. But before calling the display method, I have asked the user to enter the name, roll number, class, section, and the marks obtained in each subject. Clear? Okay. Thank you.